I have just reached Belgaum after being on the road for about 8.5 hours with the weirdest of weather. Happy New Year, by the way. It is also my birthday today, and I am in my birthday gift. This is the best birthday gift I have ever received, and you're going to be seeing a lot of it, which is why you deserve to know the whole story. Here goes.
It's not 20,000, that's it. It's got a Kodaji sticker.
I have put the music system also. I have not put any speakers here.
Wow.
Because you see this sticky and all.
Yeah.
This tray is removable.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Achha, I have given you a steering lock. If you're parking outside, you can with the clutch and the steering it gets locked.
He's so cute.
This is a cover. It's got all brand new tires, radials. It's all in brand new condition. Nothing is used. And it's the top end model.
Thank you. Take care of it. Thank you,
Black
mom.
wiper and all.
Very nice. Oh my god. Yeah. So cute, yeah, my parents really. Hey, please stop filming me. This is very strange feeling. Oh god, please.
Welcome to the vlogging life.
Dude, we have a car. We don't need anybody anymore. No Ubers, no nothing. We're sorts.
How does it feel riding a
Driving.
pre-owned Parsi car?
No shit, man. I can't believe this is happening. Hello and welcome back to Bike with Girl. Well, today is a very, very special day. It's my birthday, like I've said before. And yeah, you must be asking after you saw the earlier bit about why my parents would buy me such an old car. Now, since you guys have been asking me to vlog for such a long time, I'm going to spill a few secrets in my vlogs. One of them is that I have a special place in my heart for older vehicles, older bikes, older cars. That is my thing. It's that situation where you get to drive all the new and ride all the new stuff all the time. So I asked my dad to find me like that old gen Maruti because I wanted a backup car for when we go out filming and stuff. And he said, no, that's not going to happen. I want to get you a car with a little more comfort. Found me this magical vehicle, which is a 15-year-old Zen VXI that once belonged to a 92-year-old Babaji uncle. But my father convinced him to kind of part with his car. And I have promised to look after it and not go crazy because otherwise I'm a pretty aggressive driver.
Oh, off the road.
Yes. Vishad, you liking it?
No.
What? Why? That's it. Time to scare this man. Come
You're
on!
going fast enough.
AC.
I think you're driving on the MMRT or
I want to.
all you're
Not
doing
gone
is
to the toilet.
burning petrol, that's it. Even your cat is
Vishal
unhappy with your driving.
But it was a really fun, old school kind of journey. And that's what my vlog is about. So have fun. Cruella, say hi to our subscribers. Oh my god, she actually did! AC. But this is so funny, you know, like nowadays you don't need to turn off the aircon when you're on the ghat. You don't have to even dream of doing that on the ghat nowadays with cars today. And this is little things about old cars that are so fascinating that make you smile. It doesn't irritate me now. It makes me smile that, oh, it's lagging, so I must turn off the AC and... Arey, chal Alto!
He hasn't turned his AC off yet.
This is where I am, not here. Yeah, so when we were children, we used to go, whenever we got on the ghat, going to Mahabaleshwar and all, my parents used to say, okay, now start, the ghat has started, please start praying. And we used to pray along the way, reciting the Gayatri Mantra all the way from the start to the end of the ghat. And like really hard, we used to pray really hard that nothing would happen to us. And look at us today, like we do Bombay, Pune on the bike all the time like that. cute doggo. He's your friend. Good baby. Good. Oh, she's. Did you see how angry she got? No, baby. No getting angry. It's just so sweetheart. Otherwise, is a complete home bird, and she was already homesick when we got her out. But I think three hours we've been on the road now. Yeah. 3 hours later, she's now chilling like a villain. So one of the most planned parts of this trip was to stop at one of my favorite local Maharashtrian food restaurants on the way to Karnataka, but unfortunately they did not allow us to like keep our cat at the table.
No animals inside.
No animals because of hygiene reasons and all of that.
It's meant even I wasn't allowed inside.
That's not true. Anyway, so yeah, I kind of had a fight with them and I said, agar hum welcome nahi to, I mean, agar Billy welcome nahi hai to hum bhi welcome nahi, we are not going to eat.
Full power to you.
Full power. Not really. And now we've stopped at the most unhealthy food in
Good old highway food.
highway unhealthy Mackey's. Cheers, guys. So what if very good, I just dropped.
This is why you have a co-driver who drives for you.
I just dropped freaking lettuce in my new car. Why are you so excited?
I'm giving a good squirt to my rear windscreen.
For the longest time, we couldn't find where it is. We're playing around with this, and then like, oh, it's there.
Ah, that's a nice clean windscreen.
Kodaiji is now happy.
He's very happy.
Okay, so we have reached our destination. That is my brother Johan.
Hello.
And Johan is currently working on the 390 that you have seen in the past. What have you done?
Well, I was bored in the lockdown, so I decided to take it apart and change the color and get a new look.
That was our long journey today in my brand new old Zen. We had a lovely time. And I will be announcing the winners of the giveaway in the next video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends. If anybody has an old Zen, comment here. Tell me what your experience with your Zen has been. And what else should they do, Johan?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
He has said it. The golden words have been said. See you later, Gators. Bye-bye.